Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at an instrument designed specifically for those just starting their musical journey. The VENEKA 88-key electronic piano. This is marketed as a beginner's electronic keyboard, a portable heavy hammer professional electric piano, and a home adult 88-key musical instrument. It's built with beginners in mind, aiming to help them learn a wealth of music knowledge and develop a strong sense of rhythm. The goal is for new players to quickly master the basic skills needed for standard performance. A significant feature is its 88 heavy hammer keys. This provides a feel much closer to an acoustic piano, which is crucial for developing proper finger strength and technique right from the start. Having weighted keys is often recommended for beginners who are serious about learning piano properly, as it builds the necessary finger dexterity and touch sensitivity that lighter, non-weighted keys don't provide. Despite having 88 weighted keys, the description highlights that this piano is portable and easy for students to carry, making it convenient for lessons or moving around the home. Portability is a great advantage for beginners who might need to transport their instrument. Looking at the features, this VENEKA piano comes equipped with several useful functions. It offers a dual keyboard mode, which can be helpful for teaching or playing duets. It also has synthetic chord capabilities and includes demo songs to get you started and inspired. For sound control, you have tone adjustments, allowing you to explore different sounds. For practice and creativity, there's recording, playback, and stop functions, which are invaluable for reviewing your playing and tracking progress. Expressive features like vibrato and sustain are also included, adding depth to the sound. It also features a foot interface, likely for connecting a sustain pedal, which is essential for achieving a more authentic piano sound. A built-in metronome helps with timing and rhythm practice, and standard volume control allows you to adjust the sound level for different environments or practice times. Overall, this VENEKA 88-key electronic piano seems to pack in the essential features needed for a beginner to get a solid foundation in playing. The heavy hammer action is a big plus for technique development, and the portability adds convenience. With features like recording and a metronome, it provides tools for practice and progress, making it a potentially strong contender for someone just starting out.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.